As the school year comes to a close, it's time to tidy up our Google Drive to keep things organized and efficient for the next year. Before I forget, our newsletter will be on hiatus during the summer, but be sure to check out our summer PD trainings and EdTech Connect conference happening August 8th at Worthington High School. With that covered, I'll share 5 simple tips to help you declutter your drive. Let's get started. First, let's delete any files you no longer need. Go to your My Drive and click on Last Modified to sort files. This way you can easily spot older files. Select and delete those you don't need anymore. Remember, they stay in the trash for 30 days, so you have time to recover anything if needed. Next, create folders to organize your files. Click New, then Folder, and name it by subject, year, or project. Drag and drop your files into these folders to keep everything neat and accessible. To make it easier to find your folders, use color coding. Right-click on a folder, select Organize, and pick a color. Use different colors for different subjects or types of files. For materials you want to keep but don't need immediate access to, create an archive folder. Move old lesson plans, past student work, and previous year's resources here. This keeps your main drive clutter-free. Lastly, clean up your Shared With Me section. Remove files you no longer need by right-clicking and selecting Remove. This won't delete the file for the owner, but it will declutter your view. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to clean up your Google Drive and get ready for the next school year. By keeping your drive organized, you can save time and reduce stress. We hope you have a great summer break, and we will continue our newsletter series at the start of the new school year. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.